Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. So here we are, the Silk Route Lodge in the Hunza Valley. Just amazing, guys. Look where I am. That's my bedroom, just over there, Silk Route Lodge. But that's my bedroom just there. So I woke up looking at this. Unbelievable. So today we've got a few things to do. Going to go and see a couple of lookouts. I think there's a bridge that's just boards, but we'll find out. We're going to head there now, and then later on we're going to try some yak meat, I think. This is Karl from New Zealand.
Hey,
he's
guys.
my riding partner for today. And yeah, we're going to head up, see the glacier lookout first, and then there's a few things on the way back.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, man.
Yeah, let's go. Unbelievable, guys. What a morning. Water coming down here from the glacier. Where we're heading now is the glacier viewpoint. About another 15 minutes. But what a ride. What a ride. Guys, there's the glacier up here. Where we're going is like another 10 minutes away. So there must be a better view. The glacier must continue down the valley down there. But this is just amazing, guys. What a way to start the morning. Unbelievable. Well, guys, I'm embarrassed and sad. Karl, that I'm riding with, he's the famous Karl Rock. About 2 million followers or something on YouTube. I've been subscribed to him for 5 years and I've been talking to him all day. Didn't realise who he was. Now, but the reason I'm sad is this is the glacier viewpoint, guys. So the glacier's gone. Like so many places I saw in South America, just disappeared. And Karl's from New Zealand, he was just saying it's the same thing there, the glacier's there. The France, yeah, France something's the one in New Zealand. Anyway, guys, we're gonna have a cup of chai, start showing you a few more places. Guys, from the Passu Cones viewpoint, is where we just were. We're heading back to the hotel, but there's quite a few things to see on the way. Look around, guys, this just really is unbelievable. And what's really unbelievable is I've got Karl Rock in my rear view mirrors. What a day. And here's the glacier from the other side. And what I've told you in a few videos, guys, the Kathmandu one and a couple of others, you can see the darkness in the blackness in the ice. It should be clear white, but that dirtiness is from pollution and carbon, and that's doing more damage to the glaciers than actual global warming. All that blackness is absorbing heat instead of reflecting it, and that's what's destroying the world's glaciers. Well, guys, down here is the famous Husseini Bridge. It's just got little planks. You've got to step from plank to the other. It's really quite scary. There's another one that we were looking for that we couldn't find, which is the Passu Bridge, and that looks like it's actually just got branches off trees instead of planks. But turns out Karl's just as lazy as I am, and neither of us can be bothered walking down the hill to walk across the bridge. But that's it there. There's a zip line that goes with it. And I believe this was built in the 60s, just by hand by the locals here. They've carved into the rock a little tunnel that goes down to another path. Unbelievable. And now we're going back to where we just came. Try some yak meat. The yak burgers are amazing, apparently. Anna's coming with us, going to jump on the back. And we'll be in, I'm going to eat some more meat. Yum. Guys, we're coming out of the glacier. It's freezing cold, the wind coming up there. Incredible. And we're in Passu. The glacier we showed you earlier on is up there, so we're back where we came from. This is the yak grill. Best yak burgers in Pakistan, we're told, but let's go in and find out. This guy's amazing.
दो बर्गर एक स्टेक का एक साथ एक बर्गर का अलग ये बर्गर टेक you take away
These are the yak burgers. I'll wait to try for Karl because they're getting a steak as well, and we're going to go halves in this burger and halves in the steak, so we can try them both. He's in the kitchen He's a lot more dedicated than I am. That's why he's got 2.7 million followers and I've got 3.7 thousand. I'm filming and talking at once, so I'll jump in here quickly. That's a yak steak. Looks amazing. That's the inside of the burger.
Mad Dog, give it a try, mate. I need your review on this.
Okay, I'll try this. Excuse me, my fingers. Oh yeah, I left the microphone.
Mad Dog. Too mad.
Yeah, I took my jacket off and he's mic'd me up, so I've left the microphone. Now I'm mic'd up. I'm going to put my I'll put my camera here and try an end piece.
Beef or not?
If you told me that was beef, I'd believe it. Juicy, delicious. Look at that. Absolutely amazing.
Excuse me, tissues देना please. ये खत्म है. वो सामने box.
Yum. I'm a yak fan. Well, I was going to leave today, start heading to Lahore. I've got 8 days till I fly home. And only for 3 weeks, guys. I'll be leaving the bike in Lahore. Coming back in the 6th of October, I think. I think I leave Australia the 5th of October. And I was going to start heading Lahore today. It gives me 8 days. I could take it a bit easy. I was going to maybe go through Peshawar or Attabad, where Osama bin Laden was killed. But Karl and Adil, they were going to ride up to the China border today. And they said, yeah, come with us, come with us. So I thought, yeah, another day won't hurt. It's still 7 days to get to Lahore. But it's a cultural festival on today. So it turns out the road's shut, you know, a bit further up. So we could have got close to the border, but we wouldn't have seen it. And it's quite a famous, highest border in the world. It's the highest ATM machine in the world, things like that. But so they decided they were going to do it the next day, tomorrow. And I was umming and ahhing because that means I've got 6 days and it's 20 hours by Google Maps, which really means 25, 30 hours with stops and things. And so I've got 6 days to get there. I wouldn't be able to go to Peshawar or Attabad. Anyway, I'll tell you what the name is later. But then I decided I'm this close to the China border and I'm coming back in October, so I can go and see these cities then. So that's my plan. So I'm staying here 2 days. We're going to go and see the lake. Karl's just doing a bit of editing. We're going to go back to the Attabad lake that I was at the other day, the tunnels, and then tomorrow we're going to head to the Chinese border. Very exciting. It was to the lake that I showed you maybe 2 videos ago or 1 video ago, but either way, let's go and have a look. They've got a really good cafe there apparently, so we'll go in and have a cake and a coffee or something. Beginning of the lake here, where you can see where we're going, where the little buildings there, all the boats for rent. We just stopped here for a minute, but the actual good car park's up there. So we'll head up there, but this is Lake Attabad. I explained to you in the other video, and I'll explain it properly when we can see it better, but the Karakoram highway used to go follow the river along the bottom here. The river used to just go along the bottom. But then there was a big landslide at the end of the lake here, and that blocked the river. I think for about 10 years, the river didn't run below here, and it caused this lake and these canoes here. So even if you were bringing a truck up the Karakoram highway, you'd have to drive onto 2 of these canoes. So each set of wheels, each axle or whatever, you know what I mean, would be on one of these canoes. So 2 of them would bring you up the river, motorbikes and everything. It was, and then they put the tunnels through, which we'll see. I don't know if the GoPro can see it, but one of the tunnels there. Incredible. And the Karakoram highway is considered one of the engineering wonders of the world, and it is a bit of an engineering wonder, like the spirals. I did the spirals in New Zealand. That was another one of the engineering wonders. And this is a really flash hotel built out into the lake. They've got what they call high tea, but really it's breakfast. in there. There's 42 dishes, they were telling us. It looks really delicious, but we both just had breakfast back at the hotel. But this is why it cost us $5 to come in here, but it's well worth it, guys. This is built out in the river. It's the highways up above us. This is down. And it was just up here that the landslide was. So the river would have come along here, the highway came along the side here. And when the landslide happened up here, just gorgeous, guys. I hope the GoPro's doing it justice. So this is a little tea shop near Passu, and this guy here with the black business card was an Australian, and he wrote his name on a rock and put it on this shelf, and now it's become a bit of a tradition. So for about $10 you put your name on a rock, this guy will look after it, and if you come back later on he'll find your rock and you can write came back in this time. Some people put money up here, but it's these little rocks that are all famous, the little pebbles. And I've got no Australian dollars, but I had some Malaysian ringgit. So there's Mad Dog Adventures. When you come here, guys, see if you can find my 1 ringgit note. What an amazing couple of days, guys. Tomorrow we're heading up to the Karakoram Pass to the China border. But for now I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you on the next one.